The following video is on the Irritrol total control system. They range from 6 stations up to 24 stations. There are larger models that are 36 and 48 station units, but for demonstration purposes here, we're just going to show the 6 all the way to the 24 station unit. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to get yourself your key. You're going to lock this unit. So that's the locking position. Horizontally is the unlock position. You're going to open up the case. It's going to expose the timer module unit. Then what you're going to do is to get to the backboard. You're simply going to push this right-hand tab. It's going to open up the unit to expose the back terminal board. And remember, all this you're assuming is already on the side of your house or inside your garage mounted to the wall. The next step, to remove this timer module and remove this board, it's only a few steps. Grab the gray portion of this cable. It's like a computer cable. It's a 38-pin connector. Pull it straight out. It is keyed a certain way, so you can't install it backwards or anything. Once you put the module back in, you'll see this notch that's there, and there will be a notch in the plug as well. So with the cable removed, with one hand, hold the unit against the wall. With the other hand, simply just pull the timer straight out. You can see there's little hinge connectors that are right here. They snap into these hinges on the gray case, but these are the little posts for it. Set the timer module aside. Next, you're going to remove the terminal wiring board. Make sure you take photos of all your wires that are in here. These will be different color codes, most likely. If they're the same color codes or you have duplicate colors in there, label your wires. But the easiest way to do it is take a digital photo, and if you have some of the same colors in here, label them. Just use painter's tape or something like that. Just write the number on the wires so you don't forget where they go. But all the color codes and the wire numbers are off on the side here. You'll see it. Now, sometimes some of these timers will come with 1 row or 2 rows. So typically a 6 to a 12 station unit will have 1 set of terminals, and then from 15 to 24, you'll have 2 sets of terminals. So again, this is just for demonstration purposes only. But to remove this terminal board, there are simply 3 screws in each corner. So again, instead of removing the whole case off the wall, all you got to do is remove these 3 screws and this board comes out. So let's just remove some of the wires that are here. So these are the transformer wires. Just simply loosen them, maybe 1 full turn, and the wires will just come right out. That's it. And then remove the terminal board. Again, there's 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. Remove the 3 screws, set them aside, don't lose them. And the board comes out of the unit. It's that simple. So again, instead of removing this whole plastic case off your wall and replumbing it and hooking up power and everything else to it, just simply remove the timer and the terminal board together. That's all you got to do. It's that simple. It's approximately maybe a 5 to a 10-minute job. But if you have any questions, simply just give me a call. Thank you.